Number 99, 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter. 1,000 cubic millimeters equals 1 milliliter. Oof, this looks a little confusing at first blush. It looks like one of those sort of convert among 3 different ways, not just a conversion from one to the other. It really isn't, if we think about it. It's a lot easier than we think. If we notice, centimeters and millimeters are just different lengths. They're connected by the metric system. Liters and milliliters are volumes. They're also connected by the metric system. So there's actually a couple quick ways we can answer this one. Let's look at them. I'm going to start with method 1. I know there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, according to the metric system. So that means to get 1 liter, I just need to multiply the bottom equation by 1,000, and I have to do that on both sides to maintain the equality. So what does that mean? That actually means the millimeters cubed figure becomes 1 million millimeters cubed. That equals 1,000 milliliters, or 1 liter. Well, wait a second. We know 1 liter equals, in turn, 1,000 cubic centimeters, which is exactly what the question wants to know. How many millimeters cubed go into 1,000 centimeters cubed? And the answer is 1 million. It's that easy. In method 1, I did use a separate kind of unit. I used my liters and milliliters to convert back into a cubic centimeters. I didn't need to do that at all. These are both distance measurements. Why can't I use the metric system to go directly from millimeters cubed to centimeters cubed? I know the relationship between millimeters and centimeters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter, and there are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. That means for every 1 centimeter, dividing both sides by 100, there are 10 millimeters. Okay, great. That's the conversion in metric from millimeters to centimeters, which is what I want to try to do. But wait, we have centimeters cubed and millimeters cubed. Yes, of course. Volumes are lengths cubed. Think of a box. Its volume is the length times the width times the height. So what I want to do now is I actually want to cube both sides of my linear or scaled conversion factor. And when I do that, what do I get? I get 1 centimeter cubed equals 1,000 10 cubed millimeters cubed. Now I have a volume conversion from centimeters to millimeters directly. Well, how many millimeters cubed and centimeters cubed are we working with? We want to benchmark our problem off of 1,000 centimeters cubed. So I need to multiply both sides here by 1,000 to maintain the equality. And then I can see 1,000 centimeters cubed, the amount asked for in the problem, must equal, in millimeters cubed, 1 million. The same answer we got before. In this case, there was just a direct use of metric conversions. No need to even worry about the liters. They were essentially inconsequential to this problem.